If your Medicaid application is not working, don't worry. Thousands of people face the same issue every day. Let's fix it step by step. First, Medicaid portals can fail due to server overload, outdated browsers, missing documents, or verification errors. Sometimes the system is simply down for maintenance. Start by switching your browser. Medicaid works best on Chrome or Firefox. Clear your cookies, disable VPNs, and refresh the page. If the application still won't load, try using a different device, such as your phone instead of your computer. Make sure you meet your state's eligibility criteria. Have all required documents ready: income proof, ID, residency, and insurance details. Double-check every field before submitting to avoid delays or denials. If your application is stuck, call your state Medicaid office and ask for status updates. And remember, if you're denied, you can always appeal within 30 to 90 days. For complete guides, fixes, and expert support, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com for more information.